Hey guys, I want to give you a little bit of an update. This was for part one, and it's been brought to my attention. And thank you, by the way, for those that brought it out to my attention. When I had done the exhaust vents, when I put in the parts, well, I neglected to put in two pieces that I assumed were going to be extra at the end. You can see in step E, locate deck 2, and that's part 01A, and the emergency flush vent, left 01H. See, I was jumping the gun a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is show you the parts that I thought were extra. And you can see this is the part 1. And again, I feel really foolish about that I missed that. I thought something was up when I had seen these parts, and I had seen how they looked like windows. So that's the clear on the side with the bulb, and you can see the black. And it makes a little more sense now where the other side does not have a bulb. And there's no extra screws that go with that, so we still end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the section that does not have a light, which is on this side. And I was wondering why they were loose. It felt like there was play in it. Like I said, I'm glad it was brought to my attention. I want it to be made, obviously I want it correctly made. And you can see there's little slots where the windows are, and they're going to fit right in. And you can see it fits in perfectly. And this part is going to go right on the top. Let me line up the hole. You can see where the hole is going to line up. Just like that. And now let me put the screw in. And again, I apologize for the mistake. And that's a little bit better. And even when the screw's tightened, it's a little bit better. And you can see now it looks much better because now it's flush. Yeah, now it makes more sense that there's no light bulb in this side, because I was wondering why it didn't call for that in the instructions. But, alright, now let me do the side that's got the light bulb. I'll clear this one out of the way. And let's take this off. And the same thing, you can see the clear parts. And they're going to go right in there. And we're going to put the lights. Remember, it was the yellow. And let's see if it still has the little indentation. Yep, you can still see where the pin's going to be and where the light is going to go. So we take the yellow and we're going to place it just like that. You can see how that looks good. And you can see where the black has a little box. Alright, let's get this. And it's important when it goes back in that the LED is back along the pin. You can see, just like that. Let's tighten it up. And that's held in place, you can see. And that's the right way that it's supposed to be. And when you look at the top, you can see what's going to light up. You can see the clear. That's all the way at the top. So that's the right way. And again, I apologize for that. So that, my friends, is the correction. And once again, I apologize for the misunderstanding. And I'll see you guys when part 2 arrives. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.